Hey, you got Trucker Tim here with Double T Sports. Let's open up a pack of Prism baseball. And then I'm going to get back to trucking. I got about 200 miles to go and I will be in Jacksonville. I had to stop and take me a nap. I had been driving since about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. We got the original pack, and then we got the bonus pack. Alright. My wife, for my anniversary, she's so sweet. She went to Walmart today to pick up a few things and got me a blaster box of Donruss. She knows that's my favorite. She got me a blaster box of Donruss baseball. She was going to get me a hanger box of Prism football, but they didn't have it. Oh my goodness, I wish they would have. She would have bought it for me, but that's alright. And y'all, check out Brandon JENSEN tonight at 7 or 7:30. 7 or 7:30, a big fire sale. $20 gets you 50 cards. He's going to be doing 6 card lots, and you can only pick a lot every other time. You can't pick a lot every time. That gives everybody a chance. He's got a system. Go look at his video. And all the proceeds that he makes extra, besides shipping, probably goes to Rad and Dad's baseball team. If not, I don't know, but anyway, his sales should be crazy. But there's going to be a lot of people in there. I'm sure there's going to be some great cards. Alright, Bobby Dahlbeck. Should have cut that light off, but we'll do it like that. Bobby Dahlbeck, rookie. DJ LeMahieu. Ozzie Smith. Justin Verlander. Logan Gilbert, rookie. Ricky Henderson. And I'm probably going to end up working this weekend. Shout out to League of Our Own. But yeah, y'all check out Brandon JENSEN tonight. I think it's at 7:30. If I'm working this weekend, I might slap together an hour show on Whatnot. Y'all check that out. If you don't have my link, I will just get with me. I'll give it to you. I want everybody that does what or gets on Whatnot to follow me, please. I need more followers. Kyle Cody, rookie. Brandon Bilek, rookie. We got a Fearless of Josh Bell. We got Alexander Bogaerts. Well, these are some nice cards. I forget how good they are. Jared Kelenic, Emergent. Nice card right there. Wander Franco, the very last card. Wander Franco, Prism Emergent. Look at that. I got to get me some top loaders. I do not have any top loaders on this truck, but I'll take one out of I got a bunch up there on my wall with those mascots. Look at there. Whoop, whoop. Wander Franco, the very last one. Now, what is that? That's God's favor. That's not luck. That's just God's favor, see? Center Hill cards. If you ain't got it, you'll be drooling. Here's the bonus pack. Lewis Roberts. Yu Darvish. These are the red, white, and blue parallels. Gleyber Torres. They need to kick him off the Yankees right now. We needed to win one night, and he was swinging it dirt the very last out. Man. Yerman Mercedes. And a rookie of Andolis Mandina. And a rookie of Keegan Aiken. Oh, all nice cards. All right. All right. Well, there's a good swing there. Look at there. I'll end it with that. Nice hit. All right. Well, I'm going to get off here and go to trucking on to Jacksonville, Florida. Once I get there, I'll probably open up that box of Topps Series 2. This is Trucker Tim. God loves you, so do I. Share this out. Hit the thumbs up, please. And let's go. Brandon Jensen tonight at 7 or 7:30. I'm pretty sure y'all go check out his channel and his video. A really great guy. The first card will cost you $20, and he does 6 card lots. Other than that, after that, you get 6 card lots for free, up to 50 cards. Up to 50 cards max. It's great. He always has giveaways. Matter of fact, I'm donating a hanger box, repacked hanger box to him to either sell, giveaway, or whatever. And you know, my hanger boxes repacks are always good. God loves you, so do I. Whoop, whoop. I'm out. Peace.